My daughter-in-law, Andrea, who had a vision. And she approached my son, Tyler, and then approached me, and we all sat down and then decided to pursue. So Andrea has such a rich experience and background in marketing, and my son Tyler is a business person pursuing his own interest in his company, and so he has lots of experience with manufacturing aspect. And I just had this interest, all almost like a dream, to be able to just make something beautiful. And I was so interested in creating patterns, different color palettes, and so it all came together beautifully.